Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. I got here the Zhiyun Crane-M2. So without further ado, let's open this thing. Oh, watch out guys, there's a manual in here. You might miss it because it's outside of this box. Okay, there's a silicone. Not a candy. Not a candy, guys. So first we got the hand strap, a tripod. That's cool. A charging cable, USB-C. I think this is part of the mounting bracket. Mounting screw. This is for the phone adapter. So you can also use a phone for this stabilizer. And the stabilizer itself. So that's it. That's all in the box. I like the fact that it has the tripod. So when you move around, you can use it like this. It also can be used like an extension if you like that kind of setup. And then you can just put it down right away. Just like that, guys. Now this manual, let's check the manual. Surface card. The texts are so tiny, guys. I think it's better to download the manual from their website. This is super tiny text. Really hard to read. That's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and see you on the next one.